actually going to make it official today and say that I hate pan bolts. No, they're going in okay, but it's just taking forever. I've got 4 out of the 9 on this side. Plenty to go. Right, I need a little break from doing them pan bolts. Let's cut this thing off. That definitely ain't going to fail nothing now. Right, so let's get this bolted up. I'm not going to torque everything down, but it's just going to be a means for me to move this car in and out of the garage without the wheels sort of going in different directions. There we go, that'll do me for now. That'll stop the wheels going in different directions, and I'll be able to push it out and then get some more stuff sprayed. That's the bracket I've made for this door, exactly the same as the other, but I am guessing the location of that a little bit before I weld it in. Got the doors on the trestles, they've all been wiped down, ready to get a little bit of a spray in the primer, and we've got the car covered over. Don't want no overspray on that. Not too sad then. I've got a few runs on these 2 wings here purely because I just can't see out of that mask where I've been, but I'm quite happy that you can't even see the indicator delete on the top of them. And this is just an initial primer, so there's a lot more work to be done yet. Not too sad. Again, it's only the initial primer. These doors and wings have had a lot of work done to them. They're not the best example to start off with. Although there's probably worse out there. Had a little bit left in the gun, so why not, eh? So I can't really do much else. I'm waiting for things to dry and I've run out of room. So until the next time, make it better than it was, and I'll see you then.